Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your hostinger's IP address whether you're configuring the DNS, setting email or troubleshooting knowing your server's IP address. So let's get started. First of all, open the web browser on your mobile device and head to Hostinger's official website www.hostinger.com. And from there, make sure that you are logged into your account by clicking on the hamburger option on the top right and click on login. Once you're logged in, you will land on your main dashboard. From here, click on the hamburger option on the top left corner and click on websites. From here, you can see all the websites which you are currently hosting. And from the website option, click the domain name which you want to access the IP address. And once you click on it, you will see an option saying IP addresses, so simply click on it. And if you can't find the IP address in the H panel, you can check it by using a simple command. Open the command prompt and type pingyourdomain.com. This will show the IP address of your website. And that's it, you have successfully found your hostinger's IP address. If this video helped you, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.